Be honest with y'all, I'm mad. I'm pissed. I'm Mad Max today, y'all. My phone, the gym. I just got off a podcast, adjusting to six figures. Gonna teach y'all about insurance adjusting, how to make some money. But you know what? No technical analysis today because I'm pissed. I'm pissed. That's how mad I am right now at what's going on. But I'm gonna break the shit down for y'all because it's like you're a bunch of moths sometimes. You still don't get it. All right, you know what? I'm gonna do a little bit of technical analysis because I think it's really important. Oh man, Kevin's doing technical analysis again. He's really not that good at it though. All right, I'm gonna bring up this chart I showed yesterday, y'all. And I want you to look at all these crypto projects. I want you to notice a common denominator. Doesn't the charts all look exactly the same, right? For a bunch of cryptos that aren't related, that are exactly the same. It's almost as if somebody is selling them at the same time. I want you to think about these markets. These markets are very young. You are front running the big money, but there are whales in this market. There's whales that manipulate and control this market. What these people are trying to do is shake you out of your investments. They think you're dumb. They call you dumb money. They want to shake you out. When they shake you out, the price drops. You get out of your positions. They rebuy the dip and repeat. Rinse and repeat. And you always fall for it. That's why I've told you on this channel multiple times, it's okay to take profits. But more importantly, buy the dip. Do I have to put it in subtitles or something? Buy the dip. These markets are extremely volatile. The volatility is where you make money. But you have to be strong in your convictions that you believe that this technology is going to change the world. And look, y'all, not financial advice. I'm doing what I do, y'all. I'm good. I'm good either way. I got real estate portfolio. I have businesses making money. I don't need this. I do this because this is the future, y'all. This is your chance to make insane amount of money. Bitcoin has dipped before. Ethereum has dipped before, but you know what it's never done? It's never gone to zero. Guys, you think crypto.com just paid like $700 million to be on a Staples Center and crypto's going to be gone? Do I have to put it in subtitles or something? Look, y'all, and it's psychological. It's all in your head. You know, they want you to sell. I want you to understand when you see this manipulation, when you the chart don't lie, y'all. Look at this chart. Tell me how this is possible. It's manipulation. Now look, let's be honest. It's not looking good. The Plan B stock to flow model that I based a lot of my investment thesis on, not looking too good. I still think we're going to get to the numbers. I don't know how, but I still have faith. I haven't sold anything. We'll get into that. But let's get into some news. Oh, but you want to be mad at something? This is what's crazy about y'all. I love y'all. I love you. You're smart. You're smart. But days like today, it really shows what you're made of. Are you strong? Are you strong-minded? Are you strong-willed? You think they're gonna give you money? You think you're gonna get rich overnight? Do you think that you don't have to earn anything in life? They're testing you. They're testing to see how strong in your conviction are you, right? And look, hey, this shit is stressful. It's not for everybody. I'll be real with you. So that's why I always encourage, take profits. I've talked about in this channel multiple. Remove your initial investment. Let the rest ride. Don't let it consume you, y'all. Because when you're having stressful days at work, or you're fighting with your family or your significant other, or just you're just having a bad day, and you get on there and you see all that red, look, shit sucks. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's hard for me. It's hard for me. I don't like it. I want nothing but to see all of our portfolios go to the moon. But it's days like today, I'm being real with you, is where millionaires are made, you know? When in doubt, zoom out. Look at some old charts of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Look at all the times it dipped. All the times you could have bought that dip, but you were scared because human psychology is you want to buy when it's green and you want to sell when it's red. When you got to zig when they zag. You got to do the opposite. But I'm going to give you want to be mad at something? I'm going to give you something to really be mad at. And I'm going to talk about this every day on this channel until y'all get it because you're smart. Some of you are moths, though. Well, little moths, I'm putting on the light. I got a whole closet. Got a whole closet of clothes you can eat, little moths. You're going to be fine. So I'm going to put up this. The Federal Reserve Chairman hard at work. Commodity prices increased over the last year. Gas up 92%. Coffee up 89%. Crude oil up 85%. Corn 34%. Copper, sugar, aluminum. Look at how much gold down. Isn't that funny? Silver's up a little bit. Silver's got a lot more use cases. It's used a lot more industrial than gold is. Not saying silver's better than gold, not financial advice. But so this is what you need to be mad at, because that little money in your bank account, that money that you want to sell your assets at a loss, and you want to put that back in cash. Look at this chart. Your money is going to be worthless. The inflation, it's not stopping, y'all. The more money they print, the more inflation you're going to see. We put our money in hard assets. Assets appreciate over time. Volatility is neither good nor bad. Volatility is your chance to buy in and make money. Let's continue. All right. Breaking. Bank giant Fidelity approved to launch institutional Bitcoin services in Canada. Ding, 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 ding. So are you seeing this? Fidelity, and I use Fidelity for my stock brokerage. But when they start offering these custodial services for Bitcoin, you're going to see more big money get in. You're front running the smart money right now, and you don't even know it. Fidelity, so what do you think's coming next? Capital One's coming next. Chase Bank's coming next. They're all coming. It's going to take time. You're front running them. You're smart. All right. Houston Rockets to be paid in Bitcoin to promote crypto education and adoption. You starting to get it? Starting to get it, right? This great chart right here. It's not a crash. It's a sale. Listen, this is not financial advice, but Bitcoin 59,000, Ethereum 4,100, Solana 217, Axie Infinity 125. Those big three, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, I'm telling you right now, I'm probably going to be buying more today. And if it dips anymore, I'm dead ass serious. I'm probably going to sell one of my houses. I'm probably going to sell a house and put it in this. I almost want it to dip. And I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show y'all because it's all going to be recorded. And I love y'all. I love y'all. And I know, it's tough and it sounds crazy, but look at a quote at the bottom. I want you to think about this. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. I want you to think about where I live in St. Bernard Parish, right outside of New Orleans. Hurricane Katrina ravaged it, right? I remember my dad wanted to buy a bunch of houses. They were selling houses for pennies on a dollar. Yeah, they were giving houses away. You know who bought those houses? The smart money. They bought up everything they could, pennies on the dollar. They were greedy when others were fearful. You know what those houses are worth now? It's a long-term game, y'all. Investing is a long-term game. You got to have a long-term mindset. You got to have a business mindset. You got to change the way you think, the way you view money. Because let's be real, you're watching this, you're smart because you want to get better with money. Look, I make mistakes. Shoot, I wish, you don't think you can never time these markets. You're never going to buy in. Oh man, I bought in at the perfect time. I bought in exactly at the bottom and it went all the way up from here. You're never going to do that. The best thing you can do is just buy whenever it dips. And over time, look at Bitcoin over time. Look at Ethereum over time. Look at Solana. Solana was just $30. Imagine if you bought it every time it dipped. You'd be looking pretty good right now. So I want y'all to take that quote and really think about it. Warren Buffett said that. All right. I've showed this before, but the moths, y'all, the shiny light, y'all chasing the Shiba Inus, y'all chasing who knows what weird stuff you buy. When was the last time you went to the casino? How much money you lost then? Huh? Get it yet? All right. So number one app in the App Store, Coinbase. Over TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Bro, what you think they're going on Coinbase for? What you think they're going? Because they're buying this stuff. Buy the dips, y'all. Not financial advice. All right. Avalanche. AVAX hits all-time high. You're a fan of this channel, you know I talked about my investment in Avalanche, and we got in when it was like 30 or 40 bucks. And hey, if you bought Avalanche, you were smart, and you listened to this channel, it hit that all-time high. Brother man, make that moon bag. Take out your initial investment. Take the risk. Take the stress off the table. Don't get greedy. Because you see when these dips happen, they can be nasty. Oh, this is a good one. Environmentalist attacks on Bitcoin are best understood as a strategy by economic, media, and political elites to undermine a powerful new form of money they can't control. Ding, 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 ding. You get it now? There is a subclass of people that cannot control these assets, so they do not want you to own it. They want to own it. They want to profit off of it. They need to shake you out of it. So they will use the media. They will use fear. They will use anything they can to shake you of your investments because they think you're dumb. But we're not dumb. We used to be dumb. I was dumb. But let's continue. Oh, this is a great one. This is a great one. So, and look, I wasn't old enough to be involved in this, but I want you to think about the dot-com bubble. The dot-com bubble is around when the internet came out, and investors were buying anything with a .com in the name. If it had a .com in the name, they were buying it. Amazon fell from $110 to $11, right? Imagine if you bought that dip. Amazon's $3,000 now, y'all. You got to have conviction in your plays. You got to know what you're buying in. Bitcoin dropped from, Bitcoin dropped from $20,000 to under $4,000 before going to $60,000. Imagine if you bought that dip. Tesla went from $300 to $180. Pretty big dip. Before going to $2,000. Guess who bought that dip? Your boy. The trick isn't just picking the right investments, it's holding them. Having conviction in your plays, doing due diligence, doing research. And guys, man, if you got to, uninstall the app. Just get away from it for a little bit. But let's get into some positive Bitcoin news. Ted Cruz, shout out to Ted Cruz, big fan. Look, guys, let's remove political parties from this channel. Let's just talk about facts. Ted Cruz said Bitcoin mining provides enormous opportunities, U.S. Senator. So if you're a Democrat or you're a Republican or an independent, can you disagree with us? Is this not good? Is jobs? Do you not like green energy? Do you realize these mining companies are revolutionizing green energy? Come on, guys. El Salvador is like using volcano lava to mine Bitcoin. The green energy space is going to be transformed. Guys, these Bitcoin mining companies, they're literally using solar and wind to power computers. Then the excess heat from these computers, they're using to power towns. It's revolutionizing green energy. Do you care about the planet? I care about the planet. And if I can care about the planet and make money too, that's what smart investors do, y'all. We think long term. We think change the world. Anyway, sorry guys, just y'all got me mad with all this. All right, NFT news. NFT news. So Nike set to eventually create digital footwear. So now you can buy overpriced Nike shoes in the metaverse. Y'all see what these kids do for these Fortnite skins. They're stealing their parents' credit cards to buy Fortnite skins. Y'all see what they do for a pair of Jordans. They're lining up to buy pairs of Jordans. What you think they're going to do? They're going to want they want their avatars to be looking fresh. Nike is always ahead of the game. This is a smart, great business move. Hopefully they don't use slave labor to make the digital shoes. Am I right? Neither here nor there. All right. NFL, should we mint this Odell Beckham This is an NFT. He's in his Rams jersey. So understand that these NFTs, you know what they're built on? They're built on Ethereum. Ethereum is the underlying infrastructure that is building all these NFTs. It is the ledger that is keeping track of all of this. And Solana. Solana, a lot of NFTs are built on Solana too. So the NFL, NFTs, you getting it yet? You getting it yet? Twitter has established a dedicated crypto-focused team led by whoever this is. She explained Wednesday the new team will be focused on crypto and blockchain. Huh. Are you getting it yet? This isn't going away. All right, let me update you on some stuff I bought. Guys, I'm a part of the Bitcoin billionaires. I bought those. You guys, they're doing an airdrop. They're giving away a Bored Ape Yacht Club. You see those things all in the news. Steph Curry owns it. So these communities, it's really cool, y'all. These NFT communities, they pool the money. They do cool giveaways. I was just a part of one, y'all. This was wild. I'm in the Chilling Chameleons community. Y'all, these dudes gave away a Tesla. I was on a live stream, and these dudes gave away a Tesla on a live stream. But you had to mint. You had to be a part of the Chilling Chameleons community. Check them out. Now look, let me get more. Post Malone. Post Malone shows his Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT in his new music video. I can't post a video because I get hit with a copyright infringement. But go YouTube the video. You getting it yet? You're front running the celebrities. You're front running the smart people. You getting it yet? All right. Everything can be an NFT, y'all. Because a lot of you still don't know what NFTs are. Anything. And one that really stood out to me on here, concert tickets, right? Think about it. Concert tickets, they're worthless. Why not make them NFTs? It's memorabilia, right? Your first concert, I'd want an NFT on my first concert. Well, you know, a concert I wish I would have went to, Linkin Park, man. That's my favorite band. And I remember being in high school, I worked at a grocery store, and Linkin Park was playing in New Orleans. And I didn't go because I had work. And you know what I said? I said, "Oh man, I'll go to another one. I'll go to the next one. No big deal." Well, now Chester's dead now, y'all. One of the most talented singers of a generation, y'all. If you, man, go back and listen to Linkin Park, man. That was ahead of its time, y'all. I love Linkin Park. That was my favorite band. And now, it sucks. I can never go to that concert. Maybe in a Metaverse. Maybe there'll be a Metaverse concert. Anyway, this is some of the stuff. Virtual land, domain names, game cards. Guys, everything's going to be tokenized. It's a better system of keeping track of everything. It's a permanent ledger that can't be hacked, that can be audited by anybody, that's not controlled by any outside government, politician, anybody. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful, y'all. Learn this technology. It's really beautiful. Crypto news, OpenSea's potential. If you don't know what OpenSea is, go to OpenSea.io. OpenSea is basically an NFT marketplace. Think of eBay, but for NFTs. Non-fungible token marketplace OpenSea is reportedly set to be valued more than crypto exchange and industry senior Gemini. Gemini is a big crypto exchange like Coinbase. OpenSea is seeing new investment offers that could result in a valuation increasing some 6 times in USD, 10 billion or even higher. Report the information citing 2 people with direct knowledge of the matter. OpenSea is the NFT platform. NFTs are just OpenSea is like the eBay for NFTs. So seeing them grow this early on, it's going to get a lot bigger. There's going to be more NFT platforms. There's going to be more NFTs launched. So anyway, y'all, in Metaverse news, I don't know if y'all heard or not, but big Metaverse news. Time Magazine is going to hold Ethereum on its balance sheet as part of a Galaxy Digital Metaverse deal. That's big news, y'all. A big company holding Ethereum. A lot of companies hold Bitcoin on their balance sheets now, but now holding Ethereum. Great news for crypto. Great news for the Metaverse. Anyway, y'all, it's getting a little long. That's all I got. I'm Classic Cab. I'm out. Hope y'all buy them dips. Peace.